Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am sharing with you what's in this month's Scrawlr box. For pricing information I refer you to my earlier videos. And with this out of the way, let's open the box. Okay, let's have a look what's inside. It feels quite heavy, so it's going to be interesting. Okay, so we have acrylic markers. Sticker. I really like those stickers. I put them on all my sketchbooks. And we've got sweet. What's this? 2B sketching pencil from Derwent. And a Unipin fine liner, 0.9, and that's, I think, Max in the background. Max, do you want to come in? And these are Frisk acrylic markers. So we've got yellow, orange, pink, red, purple, blue, green, brown, black, white, gold and silver. Tells you also how to use them. It's going to be interesting to swatch these. I do like acrylic markers. I do have a lot of markers from Posca. So it will be interesting to see how they work. What else have we got? Then we have the magazine. Quick look. So it explains you what's inside the box. Interview with the featured artist, Brianna Smith. Oh, they're quite cute, those drawings. Some tips how to use the markers. Yeah, gallery of past work. So the Scrawlr challenge is claws and paws. That's quite a nice challenge actually. So this is the artwork by Brianna. Very colourful. And we have, of course, some paper, Bristol board. It's quite smooth. Oh, it's got a smudge already on there. I don't know why that. What the? Ah, there you go. How many sheets? 10 sheets. And this is it. So I'm gonna swatch all my markers and let you know how they work. The Frisk acrylic markers have a 1mm bullet nib, are odorless and dry quickly. The retail price for the pack of 12 pens is £24.95. The A5 Bristol pad was made for this box and it has 10 extra smooth sheets of 250 GSM paper. It is ideal for all types of markers. The pad retails at £2.99. This Derwent sketching pencil has a soft 2B graphite and a broad barrel. Its retail price is £1.85. This black Unipin fine liner has a 0.9 nib. It is waterproof and fade resistant. The retail price is £2.59. The total price of all items comes to £32.38. Here I am swatching the Frisk pens first. To use the pens you have to activate them first, and this is done by shaking them and then pushing the pen on the paper. To speed things up I have prepared the pens already. The pens come in the following colors: yellow, orange, pink, red, purple, blue, green, brown, black, white, gold and silver. Hello Lucy. This is interesting. Careful. Oops. You have to be careful with these. Here I am testing how to layer white on top of black. You can use these markers on polymer clay, but you have to wait for a while until the paint is dry, as you can see here. I really liked this month's prompt. Our kitten served as an inspiration for these two drawings. The hard part was actually deciding on a good photo. Since we adopted Lucy and Max in May, we have taken so many photos. Both kittens have sharp claws, and clipping them is always a battle. They really hate it and wriggle a lot. Their paws, of course, are very soft. I try to use most of the colors in my paintings. This one shows Max and this one is Lucy. I started with the outline with pencil first and then added the colors. I added more details with the fine liner and the white jelly roll pen for the whiskers. What I have noticed with these pens was that they sadly fray after only a short time of usage. Because of the relatively fine nib, getting a good coverage was not so easy to achieve. While the pens came in a decent range of colors and they don't smell and dry relatively quickly, which makes it easy to layer them, I was disappointed with the quality of the nibs. They just started to fray way too quickly. The pencil and the uni pen are good, so I wasn't overly fond with these pens and I prefer Posca pens. I missed the deadline to cancel my subscription, so I have another 3 months worth of boxes to arrive. I don't know though if I will continue with these unboxing videos. I might just do one big video where I show all my remaining boxes and what I painted with the supplies. Let me know if this is something you are interested in watching. I hope you liked this video. If you have a question, please feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to support this channel, you can do so by liking, sharing and subscribing. You can also donate via PayPal. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching. Happy painting. Until next time.